There's been a huge change for independent garages when it comes to Renault vehicles. In this video, we'll explain what those changes are and why you now have more coverage than you've ever had before. You'll understand what has changed with regards to the independent market and now what extra functions being able to obtain the full Clip software will give you as a workshop. We'll cover exactly what you need to run and operate it with regards of security USB keys, etc. Also, whether this is something that you need to invest in now or something that you can wait on until later. For quite some time now, it's been really difficult for independents to get Renault Clip access due to the fact that you needed to purchase the full complete kit from Renault, and that wasn't made easy. The pass-through option of buying the individual certain configuration and automatic programming was great from a pass-through perspective, but you just couldn't get on and read and clear those fault codes, look at live data that only the dealer level access gave you. But that's now changed. So coverage with the new vehicles, with such as the Megane E and the Kangoos and all the newer platforms that run with the ADT software, that's been fully available for quite some time now. But those older vehicles, such as the older Clio 3s, some of the older Meganes, the Lagunas, you couldn't get full dealer level diagnostic access easily and simply. A full, expensive, costly kit. Now, things have changed. Through the Renault ASUS portal, you can now buy your software as you can now with most vehicle manufacturers, giving you now a lot better and easier access to owning and running full dealer level access for diagnostics, coding and programming. So what do you need to get started? Well, first of all, you will need a Renault electronic security dongle. This is a USB key that's fitted in the side of the computer that basically unlocks that access for the software. You will need to buy the diagnostic software. Now this can be purchased either as Clip on its own or ADT on its own, or now as a combined yearly subscription for both Clip and ADT. You'll also need, of course, your time-based access once you've purchased the software as well. So the time-based access, as suggests, is an hourly, daily, weekly, monthly or yearly subscription cost. Once you've got that, the software will then install on a Windows PC, generally run-of-the-mill PC. Our Maverick Diagnostics X14M laptop exceeds the minimum specifications that are required to run the software. As a rule, you'll need a minimum of 16 gig of RAM, a 256 gigabyte hard drive, and really you want to be running on Windows 11 operating system. That will make sure that you're future-proofed for software updates to come. So the Renault Clip product is perfect for that independent workshop that's seeing a very large amount of fleet work, such as Renault Kangoos, Trafics and those Masters. This will give you that full diagnostic functionality that you've been missing. If you want to know more about the Renault tool, or in fact any other OEM diagnostic tool, then make sure to subscribe to our channel, as we're always covering current and future diagnostic products. You can also start your OEM journey by visiting our buyer's guides, which is on the playlist on screen now.